Welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is August 25th, 2021, Wednesday. Our news highlights for today: Chinese tech stocks in Hong Kong erase some gains. Australian mining stocks rise. Asia Pacific stocks were mixed on Wednesday as optimism continued to drive US stocks with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq reaching record highs overnight. Chinese tech stocks paired morning gains, losing steam after their Tuesday rally. Japan is under the flat line today, South Korea is down, and Australia is up. Iron ore prices soared, giving mining stocks a boost. They shot up almost 9% on Tuesday, and mining stocks in Australia jumped in the morning. COVID fears continue to dominate Australia as Sydney's cases hit a new daily record on Wednesday, putting parts of the health system under severe pressure. For our international headlines today, Taliban will no longer allow Afghans to go to Kabul airport for evacuation, spokesman says. Biden says Afghanistan evacuation to finish by August 31st deadline as threats to Kabul airport grow. Stock futures little change after S&P 500 poses record close. Sydney's hospital under strain as coronavirus cases hit new daily record. CDC study shows unvaccinated people are 29 times more likely to be hospitalized with COVID. And Afghans turn to crypto market for stability during Taliban takeover. In other news, vaccine rally on Wall Street helps pull up regional stocks. Most Asian equities, including the Philippines, advanced yesterday, boosted by a near-record rise on Wall Street fueled by a vaccine rally. In the US, investors drew comfort from full approval granted to Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, a move that could convince some reluctant Americans to now get their shot. The local market followed the overnight rally on Wall Street as the US FDA fully approved the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine according to AB Capitals. And 291 million peso buying were received by the market yesterday, a second straight session. For our local headlines today, RCBC named Best ATM Kiosk Implementation Awardee. The award for Best ATM and Kiosk Implementation is given to the industry player that is able to optimize the operational cost for the bank in handling cash and other automated transactions in a safe and secure environment while achieving measurable customer origination as well as selling and cross-selling goals. Calax Silang East Interchange opens. The newly opened Silang East Interchange will be serving 5,000 motorists and help decongest traffic coming from Governor's Drive, Aguinaldo Highway, and Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. MPIC, MWIDE, partner with LLDA. This memorandum of cooperation that they signed is to protect the Laguna Lake and its surrounding provinces, cities, and towns. Pito AXM to double ATMs in 7-Eleven stores. 1,000 ATMs will be placed in 7-Eleven branches by the end of this year from the over 500 branches within Metro Manila and Cavite. And ACEN sells aging diesel power barges. This amidst the company's plan to reduce its thermal and raise renewable energy capacities. For our PSEI today, we closed at 6,822.15. This move gives us a 90% confirmation that we are now heading to our 7,000 level. We are now seeing a positive indicator in reaching the 7,000 level due to the fact that we have sustained the momentum that we had yesterday from our day plus 23rd August at moving average 20. Plus, we created a bullish candlestick breaking our uptrend channel. And third straight session as well of support from our investors. So they bought 800 million peso worth of shares today in our market. So dito po yan sa ating net foreign indicator. So pati po yung ibang mga technical indicators natin are now going up on their highest level and seems to agree on a strong possibility in reaching 7,000 levels probably this week and hopefully to sustain it in the coming weeks. We learned in our news that majority of the move in the market is because of the vaccine rally kasi it gives hope sa mga reluctant magpa-vaccine to take their shot when FDA approves the Pfizer vaccine. So especially yung move natin kahapon, lahat halos ng market globally is nagkaroon po ng pagtaas. Though mixed ang ating Asian markets today and flat ang ating US futures from their rally yesterday, tumaas pa rin po yung ating local market. So I think yung mga nakalipas na news natin locally helps our market today or yung itong rally na tinatakbo natin like yung administration budget that has been finalized and now in the Congress to approve kasi inside that budget will play a big role to control and a possible go over the coronavirus. Second, yung mga parating nating mga vaccines this third or fourth quarter. And third is yung pathway natin sa pagluluwag ng ating economy, which I think is magtutuloy-tuloy sa GCQ as we need to rebound to our economy. Plus our market now is really in bargain price considering that we are at 8,000 level during pre-pandemic. After weighing the possibility in reaching the 7,000 level, going beyond it is still a 50-50 kasi technically speaking malakas yung resistance natin at 7,000 level plus COVID-19 threat is still there. But hopefully, we can just consolidate in that area and magtuloy pa rin tayo sa pagtaas. Pero as of the moment, if we are looking for a major TP area, that is our 7,000 level sa ating PSEI. So let's continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For dito CME, after evaluating it kahapon na it may possible to go down again due to the two bearish signals or candlesticks na na-observe natin kahapon plus rejection at moving average 50, market created a bullish candlestick today and a continuation of the higher lows and uptrend channel that we can observe in the short term. Now that we have this bullish candlestick, it can now give us a potential in breaking the 8.40 area. Kaya lang, if tayo po ay kukuha pa lang ng shares kay dito CME, more on test buy muna yung pwede natin gawin kasi nasa may resistance area tayo and may possibility pa rin tayong mablock sa area na yan just like what happened last time when we attempted to break it. And kung holders naman tayo and currently gain, depending on our trading plan and you want to secure your gain, you may want to sell portion of your shares at 8.40 area para in case man na hindi tumuloy yung pag-akyat natin, we already took some of our gains, then replan na lang sa pag-repurchase. For Converge, nagkaroon tayo ng magandang dip kanina, a chance to add some more shares especially sa mga nag-i-invest kay Converge. As of the moment, uptrend channel is still intact, which can still serve as our guide and high likely that we are still on its early stage. So more on hold tayo as of the moment kasi we can still speculate a good move or a higher price sooner. For ACEN, we can still see a good performance as we formed a bullish pattern or yung 3 white soldier pattern that we also shared during our introduction kanina kung napanood niyo po yung introduction natin. Having said that, good to hold pa rin po tayo kay ACEN and may add some shares depending on our plan as we are still maintaining our uptrend channel with strong momentum and support from our foreign investors, which we can see here in our net foreign indicator. For BSE, we are still being blocked at moving average 50 and currently tipping near our moving average 9 and moving average 20. The green flags here that we can observe are We are maintaining this 0.57 area key support, and we are creating higher lows, which gives us an uptrend channel. Plus, our volume is not that high. Nag-red man tayo today, hindi naman ganoon kalakas yung selling pressure natin. Tapos, dito sa ating net foreign indicator, kung i-check po natin, two straight days na rin po tayong may support. So, on this instance, more on green flags yung na-observe natin. So, we can take shares or buy shares on its current range, and we can look forward in the next target resistance, which is at 0.69. For Atlas Mining, we are currently holding at our moving average 200, which is good kasi nakakita tayo ng strength. And although weak yung ating momentum, bumubuo pa rin po tayo ng ating mga higher lows, which is a good sign as well. If we are going to take a look on its big picture, nasa lower area po tayo ng ating sideways move. And kanina sa news natin, yung price ng iron ore ay tumaas, which gives boost sa ating mining industry globally. Having said that, depending on our plan, it gives us more signal to buy in case man binabantayan natin itong si Atlas Mining. For our CBC, we learned that it won the award of Best ATM and Kiosk Implementation, which is a good sign kasi yung company is doing its best to serve its customer. Going on its technical, we are still on consolidation with weak momentum and low volume. Meron din tayong immediate resistance at 20 peso area, and on this instance, mas maganda maging on the side muna as there is a big chance na bumaba pa tayo at 18.75 area dito sa ating key support, which is for now is the good area to buy some shares. For MPI, sa news po natin kanina, nalaman natin na meron silang current project, which is yung partnership nila with Maynilad and LLDA to protect Laguna Lake. Dito naman po sa kanyang technicals, we are currently maintaining our key support at 3.84 after nating mag-dip or magkaroon ng low kahapon near moving average 50. Meron din po tayong uptrend channel na nakikita as of the moment. And on its big picture, meron tayong sideways move, and currently nasa middle po tayo nito. Since nasa malapit tayo sa ating key support at nasustain natin yung dip natin kahapon, depending on our plan, the green flags that we are seeing are giving us a go signal to buy on its current range. And yung major TP area na nakikita natin is 4.20 kasi yan yung malakas na resistance na ni MPI na nakikita natin base na nga rin po dito sa ating sideways move. For JFC, the last time na nireview po natin siya, it gave us a bullish pattern na morning star or ito pong 3 white soldier, which is also na-share natin sa ating introduction kanina if napanood po natin. Going back, nakalabas na po itong si JFC sa kanyang consolidation and heading towards sa ating 216 area, which is also our major TP area as of the moment kasi dyan tayo last na block. And if ever man papasok pa lang tayo sa kanya, bear in mind na nasa 5% pa lang or nasa 5% na lang yung upside natin, and it may take days or weeks bago natin maabot itong ating major TP area sa may 216. So we have to be patient enough and ready to exit at 216 area if trading yung plan natin. Sa mga long term naman po, depending on your plan, pwede namang magdagdag ng shares, then take some gains or secure some gains at 216 area. And overall, good to hold pa rin naman tayo kay JFC kung investing yung plan natin sa kanya. For MRC, we are still doing a sideways and now building our uptrend channel as well since we are making higher lows as of the moment. Today, nag-decline tayo, same area kung saan din tayo na block last time. Pero yung green flag natin dito, nag-decline man tayo, is we are still holding sa ating midline ng ating uptrend channel, and somehow, it is also like a bullish pattern na 3 white soldier, which we also shared kanina sa ating introduction if napanood po natin. So, kadalasan nakikita po natin yun sa mga downtrend or sa mga nag-consolidate. So, hopefully, is masustain natin itong ating pagtitrade above the midline ng ating uptrend channel para ma-continue po natin yung pagtaas na nakikita natin kay MRC. So with that, it gives us more signal to buy on its current range. For MWIDE, on its sideways move, nasa may bottom area naman tayo. So technically, ideal naman bumili ng shares in case binabantayan natin itong si MWIDE, especially we are forming an uptrend channel sa kanya in the short term. Although, we still need to be cautious, especially if we are looking for an immediate result. Kasi meron man tayong uptrend channel na nakikita or nasa ideal area tayo, mababa lang yung ating volume and yung spike or yung momentum natin is weak. Kasi 9 trading days na tayong nasa ilalim ng ating mid-range dito ng ating uptrend channel nagtitrade. So, there is a chance na bumaba pa or makakuha pa tayo ng magandang price dito kay MWIDE kasi hindi tayo makaangat sa ating mid-range. So, as of the moment, if we want to be on the safe side or if we want to get better price, we can remain on the side and then monitor pa yung magiging galaw ni MWIDE within the week. For Globe, very bullish move tayo and congrats po sa ating mga holders kasi nasa record high tayo. Punta lang po tayo dito sa ating monthly time frame. Bale, last time na naabot natin tong level na to was September 2015 and so far, nandito na tayo sa area ng pinakamataas na naabot ni Globe on its entire time sa market. And going back lang po dito sa ating daily time frame, yung binabantayan po nating Darvas box is tuluyan niya pong break out, pati na rin po itong strong resistance natin at 2,300 area. Measuring the move that we made today, around 18% po kaagad yung ginawa natin. So ingat lang po tayo if ever ngayon pa lang tayo papasok sa kanya kasi prone siya for profit taking, especially sa mga short-term traders. However, if we could be able to sustain itong 2,500 level area natin at least until Friday, potential siyang maging key support natin sa kanyang current move. So as of the moment, be on the side muna, especially if hindi tayo nakapag-accumulate ng shares on its low level. Sa mga holders naman po natin, especially 2,300 below yung mga average, you may continue to hold or take some profits if you want to secure some gains. For PLDT, kagaya rin po ni Globe, bullish candlestick din po yung ginawa natin pero mas controlled, though hindi siya ganun ka-massive kasi 7% lang yung kanyang naging move today. The reason that I am thinking sa galaw ni Globe and PLDT today is yung news na nabasa ko kanina pero I failed to include it dito sa ating video today. Yung news na yon is yung regarding sa 60-40 ownership. Meaning to say, kailangan majority pa rin ng ownership ng telco company is Filipino-owned and then 40% lang yung sa ating mga foreigners, which is ito rin yung sinusulong ng Senate if I'm not mistaken. Going back lang po dito sa ating technicals, meron tayong initial indicator na kaya natin ma-breakout yung 1,300 level, which is this bullish candlestick. Pero we are not discounting the possibility ng pag-pullback tomorrow, which pwede tayong bumalik sa box area natin. Kaya naman, tulad din kay Globe, mas magandang maging on the side muna, especially if hindi tayo nakapag-accumulate ng shares on its low area or kung di talaga possible, at least test buy lang muna. And sa mga holders natin, we may continue to hold or take some profits to secure your gain. And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, please don't forget to like it and share it as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. And also, kung meron po kayong additional information or thoughts dito sa review na to, comment nyo lang po yan para makatulong din po or makapagbigay information din po tayo sa iba. At sa inyo po na gustong magpa-review ng kanilang mga stocks, comment nyo lang din po yan para maisama po natin sa ating next session. And sa mga bago po nanonood ng video na ito, don't forget to subscribe para lagi po kayo maging updated sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you soon. QRepublic.